Hi guys, welcome back to Traders Lounge. I'm here with Atif today. We're going to go over some of the markets and obviously what we've been placing this week. So I'm going to go over one of the trades we took this week, pound Aussie dollar, which was our trade of the week, roughly around 140 pips so far. I'm also going to go over some analysis I've done with New Zealand dollar. And then Atif's going to take over and go over some of his seasonality work, which he thinks is going to be the weakest for April, and then we can go from there. So Atif, where are you at, mate?
Okay, sure. So as we saw in March, it was a bit of a quiet month, and what we tend to see in April is a lot more continuity in price and trends starting to pick up. If you look at the seasonal heat map, April, you can clearly see that it is the weakest month for dollar, so it typically does not perform that well. And on the flip side, we see a lot more of the other majors performing better during this month. So looking through the seasonal chart in detail, so this is a chart of dollar index. We're right on the edge before the drop here. So this is what I'm hoping to see throughout this month. And then looking through the other sort of majors, we can see a push up on the Australian dollar, on the pound, Canadian dollar. So we tend to see similar patterns for them. So my main focus this month will be clean ways to sell the dollar.
Nice. Brilliant. Yeah, so lovely. So what I'm going to go over now is some analysis we've done to do with, like I said, New Zealand dollar and obviously our trade of week, pound dollar. So let's start with New Zealand dollar first. So as you can see here, we have our key resistance level we've got here, as you can see in this yellow box. This is the region where price has come up to 3 times before around the 0.6937 level and rejected every single time. As you can see at the beginning of last week, midway last week, I put this analysis in the VIP group, and as you can see here, we've got our daily chart here. We had a strong bearish bar come off this level once again, which I was looking for. I think there was a bit of New Zealand dollar news which made that shoot down. But as you can see, I was hoping to get another bounce strong off this level and back to the trend line for support. Now, what I was looking at obviously was hopefully to find a little bit more support at this level, get a bit of a test back up to around the 20 moving average and a bounce back down. And as you can see, over the last couple of days, we broke the trend line support, and now we are at a 200 moving average. So in that sense, it's looking brilliant to carry on shorting, hopefully. On the weekly, you can see we've had a triple top. We've had 1, 2, 3, and then we shot down again. So the trend line is now broken, so it's looking good. So if we go to our trade of the week, pound Aussie dollar. Now, like I said, one of our new traders, Ollie, took this week, I think it was yesterday, and we're currently around 140 pips up now, so fantastic. As you can see, we've got our monthly pivot here, monthly pivot here, and we have our counter trend line. So what happened is we got to the monthly pivot, broke that, and then broke our trend line, and then as I said, 140 pips there onwards, price really tanked, and as you can see, we're sort of at a bit of a level now, at around 1.8276. So hopefully we'll get to around that level and then see what happens to price there. But it was a brilliant trade. Like I said, we broke that trend line and then price shot down. So that's sort of what we're looking at this week.
So before we go, whilst we're looking at the charts, I just wanted to quickly go over the dollar index charts, which ties in what I said earlier about dollar being seasonal weak in April. Price has just approached a nice sort of resistance level here, and we're seeing a potential head and shoulder pattern, which is a bearish reversal pattern. So seasonal wise, we're looking for a weak dollar. The technical wise, it's all tying up.
Brilliant. Yeah, no, lovely. Well, guys, I hope you found this very useful. Make sure you stay tuned into the Traders Lounge for the next sort of episode, and speak to you guys soon.